Hey guys, I'm Julian, and this is Deanna.
And we're JmeetsD. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's raining out today.
So we decided to make 10 things you can do on a 1.
Watch a movie. You're off key.
Oh.
Those.
Read a book.
Oh.
3.
Eat. Oh. 4.
Work out. 1, 2.
Hey man, what are you doing?
99. 100. Just finishing up my workout. 5.
Clean. Hey, are you done cleaning?
Yeah, Mom. Learn martial arts. Now, do it just like that.
Okay.
Siete.
Play video games. No, your mom! No, your mom! 8.
Play hand games.
It was supposed to be 3!
9.
Build a house of cards.
Alright, careful.
Oh man, not again.
I'm
And
sorry.
10.
Have a Nerf war.
I've been shot.
Alright guys, that was 10 things you can do inside on a rainy day.
You should probably try some of those at home.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Feel free to comment.
And we'll see you guys later.